Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country, and today I've got a product that's going to make getting in the bed of your truck a breeze. It's our retractable bed step. With sturdy construction for confidence underfoot and a robust powder coat for years of service. Your kit includes the retractable mechanism, the step itself, mounting brackets, and of course, all necessary hardware. Now this model is for the F-150, but we offer these for a variety of trucks. Let's go ahead and get this installed so you can see just how simple this no drill, no cut installation really is. First step is going to be to combine these two mounting brackets. We'll go ahead, get them set up and bolted together. All right, let's get the truck in the air and get this installed. All right, here we are under the driver's side rear of the truck. We are going to remove these two nuts and these two bolts. Our bracket is going to go on just like that. Now we're going to reuse these nuts, but we've got replacement bolts for these. Let's get them removed. And go ahead and reinstall the factory nuts. All right, now before I fully cinch these down, I'm going to go ahead, mount the retracting mechanism as well as the step, see where it lands in relation to the back bumper. If I'm happy with that, I'll go ahead, cinch everything down, and we'll be done with the installation. Now we've got our retracting mechanism. We're going to go ahead and line up each one of these holes with its corresponding hole in the bracket. Then we'll drop our bolts in from the top, tighten it down. Now we'll go ahead and retract it. We're going to install our step, verify clearance, and then we will finalize bolting down the mounting brackets. All right, for our step, we're going to flip it over. We're going to take our T-bolts, slide them into the channel, 2 in each channel. Now we'll go ahead and set it on the mechanism and bolt it down. Now we'll line our bolts up with our slots, use supplied washers and nuts, secure it to the mechanism. Now before I tighten these down, I'm going to retract it and figure out exactly how I want my step. I think I want it like that, where I've got a lip I can grab with my foot, and this is flush with the back of the bumper. Now I'll go ahead and tighten it down. Now all we need to do is finalize the tightening of our bracket bolts, and this installation will be complete. Let's get the truck on the ground and I'll show you just how it works. So if you're looking for a simple solution to get in the back of your truck, check out our retractable bed step. Available today at roughcountry.com.